Hello everyone and welcome back to another Rankin Inlet video. This is a short clip, but I just wanted to share with you what a blizzard looks like around here. Before we do that, here's what it looks like on a regular day in mid-December. This is not a blizzard at all. I'm just walking home from work. It's in the morning. It's not that cold, only minus 10 degrees Celsius, wind speed 30 kilometers an hour. Let's compare that to about a week later. It's only 4 p.m., but you see how dark it's gotten. Visibility is zero. The wind speed has doubled. It's about 70 kilometers an hour or 43 miles per hour. Temperature is minus 25 Celsius, but with wind chill, it's closer to negative 30s or minus 22 Fahrenheit. And you can just hear the wind howling. So yeah, that's what a blizzard looks like. Sometimes there's very minimal warning, maybe just a few hours warning when you get that severe weather warning notification on your phone. They can last up to a few days at a time, happens several times a season. We're in late January right now and we're still not out of the woods. Weather can still be nasty in February and March. But when these blizzards hit, people will go to the store, they will stock up because everything just shuts down. The airport shuts down, flights are canceled, the gas station shuts down. We only have one gas station in town, so if people need fuel desperately, they will fill up, and everything shuts down. You don't drive if you don't have to. Just emergency services, hospital, fire department, police, they're still open. Anyway, that's it for now. Thanks for watching and stay warm.